In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on the plenum air exchange. What's happening here is air is coming in from the inside of the house here. It's passing through a filter and then it gets pushed out as hot air through this plenum up here. So it's a little tricky because of the way this is spaced. So we're going to come in tight here so you can see. On the back side of the furnace, you'll see there's a covering. This covering comes right off, and there you'll see the filter. You just pick out the filter, and it comes out pretty easily. I have a nice dirty one here for you. That's a very dirty filter. You have a new one. You can see the size, 16 by 20 by 1. The important thing is here they have you noting which way the air will flow. That's the important part of it. The air is flowing that way. So you want that pointing there. So you slip it in here and you position it above the hole and it fits in there exactly. And so what you need to do, I'm going to have to get in front of the camera, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pinch the bottom here like this a little bit when it's at the top of the slot, so that I can get it past the opening and then it'll slide right in. You saw how easy that slid right out, but it's a little hard to get it sliding in. So I just reach in here, you can feel the end of it, you can see how it's crinkled up just a tad, and now it's in there, and now it'll push right in. And then you put this top back on. While I'm back here, let me just show you this. This is the thermostat that is connected to these pipes, which is doing a preheat of our hot water when you're burning wood. It doesn't work when you're not burning wood. This you attach to the exit pipe. Which is the exit pipe? The hotter one. So this is the exit pipe. Excuse me, this is going to be the exit pipe. This one is, they're both the same temperature now because we're not running it through there. But you'll know because it's going to be much hotter. You want to put this on, the way I usually have done it has been to use a fire brick to simply lean the thermostat against just lean it against it like that, and that's registering the temperature of the water, and I'll tell you about that when we talk about the hot water heater in just a minute. But that's where you put the probe. It's worth checking this probe every once in a while. I don't tape it or anything because it gets way too hot. I just use the fire brick to keep it there, but with rattling and during daily use it can fall off. So you want to check that. Anytime I come down here to do the wood, I'll check on that because it helps keep your hot water getting heated. That's the video on changing the air filter.